WastePro's numbers are big: 80,000 households, more than 5,000 tons of garbage, more than 1,200 tons of recyclables, and over 1,600 tons of yard waste every single month. And those are just the numbers for the city of Port St. Lucie. That is why it is so important that our customers know how to properly sort and dispose of their garbage, hazardous waste, yard waste, and recyclables. Let's talk trash, or garbage that is. Trash must be placed curbside no later than 7 a.m. on your pickup day. With the rapid growth of the city of Port St. Lucie, we are continually increasing the number of homes and pickups and adjusting our routes. This means times of service are subject to change and your time of pickup may be adjusted accordingly. Port St. Lucie's city ordinance allows residents to place trash out after 6 p.m. the night before pickup. However, if you are placing trash out the night before, it must be in a garbage can with a tight-fitting lid to prevent animals from getting into the trash and spreading it around your neighborhood. It is unacceptable to place loose trash out for pickup as it causes litter and other health and safety concerns. Please make sure that all trash containers weigh no more than 50 pounds. Our hard-working garbage collectors will appreciate you for that. Some items are too large to fit into your garbage can, but we can help you dispose of them responsibly. We offer bulk waste pickup services for various household items, such as major appliances, furniture, and mattresses. If they don't pick this up with your regular garbage, it will be picked up by another truck within 72 hours. A fresh coat of paint always looks good on your walls, but did you know that when a paint can filled with paint is compacted in a garbage truck, it explodes and can leave a tremendous mess, both inside and out of the truck, causing additional expense and work. If you have an empty, dried-out paint can with no lid, you may place it on the curb next to your garbage can. The best way to deal with it, however, is to drive it to the county landfill or save it until your Public Works Department hosts its annual Hazardous Waste Day. Check your community's website to know when that day is. What do household items such as insecticides, cleaners, paints, and motor oil have in common? They are all household items that contain solvents and metals that can harm the environment and are classified as hazardous household waste. Prolonged exposure to these chemicals can also increase the risk of adverse health effects and may lead to liver, kidney, heart, lung, and skin diseases. We recognize these risks, and in our mission of caring for our communities, we strive to be the distinguishable difference by implementing programs to encourage residents of the communities we serve to dispose of their household hazardous material responsibly. If you need to dispose of any of these items, you can do so safely, properly, and free of charge at the St. Lucie County Baling and Recycling Facility on Glades Cutoff Road. Please contact your local city or county for proper disposal procedures of electronic items. By the way, did you know that our garbage collectors and drivers work long hours, rain or shine, in extremely hot weather, and don't go home until their entire route is collected? And to ensure the best service possible to the community, we have equipped every one of our vehicles with cameras, one inside where the driver sits and 3 external cameras, and GPS devices, providing the ability to monitor routes and ensure that our customers receive excellent service on a consistent basis. We're very proud of our employees, including our garbage collectors, truck mechanics, customer service reps, and operational staff. After all, there are only 3 days a year that your garbage is not collected by these hardworking individuals: July 4th, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas Day. We are happy to let them spend these days with their own families. But this also means they work every other holiday and are not with their families celebrating. And because we care so much about our loyal employees, we make sure they stay safe when they are working by providing them with continual safety training. WastePro is proud to be one of the industry's leaders in recycling. The reduce, reuse, recycle mantra is fundamental to our operation, and we believe that recycling at home should be simple and convenient. The St. Lucie County operated materials recovery facilities and their advanced sorting technologies process your items safely and responsibly. The Recycling Center is staffed by professionals who manually sort through the many tons of recyclables that arrive 6 days a week. Their job is made easier when you make sure you only put items that can be recycled in the provided green recycling cart. Items recycled typically include paper, cardboard, aluminum, glass, steel, and plastic containers, as well as newspapers. If you are unsure if something is recyclable, look at the lid of your green bin or call your local WastePro facility at 772-595-9390. Be sure to place your green recycling bin at the curb with the opening facing the street and at least 3 feet from mailboxes, garbage cans, and other obstructions. With your help, we can all do our part to take care of our environment. Hurricanes, high winds, and inclement weather are a fact of life in Florida. Don't forget, once a named storm has been announced for your area, you may not put yard waste or debris at the curb. This is to prevent your vegetation from becoming airborne projectiles that could damage property or cause personal harm to someone. Don't wait until hurricane season to trim trees and shrubs. This should be completed prior to June 1st. How and when to put your yard waste out for collection is not just being conscientious, it's critical for the safety of you, your neighbors, and our employees. Yard waste or vegetation should be containerized or placed in several smaller piles for pickup on service days. All loose leaves must be in a bag or container. Branches and tree trunks must be cut to no more than 4 feet in length and not weigh more than 50 pounds. Larger piles of vegetation will be picked up by a clam truck within 72 hours of your regular scheduled yard waste day. Please do not place piles near overhead wires or trees, which would prevent the clam truck from being able to safely operate. For landlords, please call WastePro for the proper and correct way to dispose of these move-out piles. We offer bulk waste pickup services for whole households, including appliances, furniture, and other household waste. WastePro is proud to be your local garbage collector, and with your help, we can all do our part to have a clean, safe environment. For more information, please visit our website at wasteprousa.com or call us at 772-595-9390.